Alright, here, oops, you can see I'm moving on to the fender. Now this is my first take at it. Decently clean clay. Let's see what I'm picking up here. Now you still told me not to go in circles, but I told you, doesn't matter, buddy. Let's see what I pick up in just this little small area. I really should put the music on while I do this. And use soapy water instead of this expensive quick detailer. But I'll do that when I run out. There we go, nice and smooth. Smooth as baby's ass. Do this little flare here. Let's see what I picked up. Not so bad. Looks like my fender's good. Do my headlight a little bit. There we go. See? Nice and clean.